My correct person, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time when this video to reach you. This na Open Heavens Daily Devotional here on Favors blog for today will be Sunday, the 28th of July, 2024. Our topic for today na good followership, part 4. Good followership, part 4. And our Bible reading for today, it will come from the book of Matthew chapter 26, from verse 36 to 38. Matthew 26, 36 to 38. And our memory verse now from Romans chapter 15, verse 30. Wey talk say, now my brothers and sisters, I dey beg una with Jesus Christ and the Holy Spirit love, make una help me pray to God. Make we enter today's message. As I dey conclude my teaching on good followership when I start some days ago, e dey very important to note say no matter how strong leaders appear to be, they need encouragement sometimes from their followers. This primarily because leadership dey full of ups and downs, and during the down moments, when you encourage your leader, e go go a long way to help them succeed. When you dey speak words of encouragement, you dey send them gift, and you dey honor them in any way wey you fit, e go encourage them to continue to dey do wetin dem dey do despite the burden of leadership. Many years ago, e reach one point I come tire, I don feel discouraged. I just resign from my job wey dey give me better money to become the church general overseer, and I spend all my time dey pray for people and dey teach them. The body for my head, the thing plenty, yet e come be like say nobody dey appreciate my effort. One day like this, my mind just dey down, tired for the position of the general overseer, and so I just sleep for office. When I wake up, I see one small girl wey carry cake come my office. She say God tell her say make she come give me the cake. I no dey really dey like cakes, but I eat am because the thing really touch me, say this girl really think about me today. When God lay am for your heart to do something to encourage your leader, abeg no waste time at all, just do am. That small thing wey you wan do so fit be the difference between whether the leader go give up or e go continue the work wey dey im hand. Good follower dey always dey try everything for im power to reduce the stress wey dey on top of the leader body rather than to add to am. Leaders na human beings like you and me. Dem dey face challenges just like you dey face challenges, and dem dey even dey face more because of the position of leadership wey dem dey occupy. Fit no dey your power to comot all the burden wey dey their body totally wey come with the leadership, but you fit encourage them so that dem no go feel say all their effort na waste, and so that dem go continue to dey do more for the followers. Many years ago, I dey really down. Wetin help me to get up and to continue to dey go na message one of my daughters in the Lord send me. She say, "Daddy, allow God carry you." Your message fit be wetin God go use take encourage your leaders. Even Jesus Christ kpakpa, when e dey very close to the time wey dem wan take crucify am, e carry Peter, James and John go the garden of Gethsemane go pray alongside with himself. E need their encouragement for the task wey dey ahead of am, na im make am carry dem go. Pray for your leaders. Sometimes when dem dey see say you dey even dey pray for dem alone sef, na enough encouragement for dem to continue to dey do the work wey dey their hand. Our action point for today be say, send message or buy gift for your leader today to encourage them for all the work wey dem dey do and the burdens wey dem dey bear. We don come to the end of today's message. Don't forget say our topic for today na good followership part 4, and na Pastor E.A. Adeboye wey be the general overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God worldwide na im write this Open Heavens daily devotional. The Redeemed Christian Church of God, they also use this opportunity to invite you to their 72nd annual convention wey dey come up from the 5th to 11th of August 2024. Dis na Still Favours blog. Abeg, like this video, drop your comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that when videos dey drop, you go be first to receive am. We go jam for the next video.